Hi, so this is a month late unboxing, but I mean, it's here. It's my Togethertube Secret Valentine packages. One came before the other, there were two things, and I was waiting for the first package to get to me before I opened it, and it's this. And I read the customs form, so I kind of know what's in it, but I still don't really know what's in it, so I guess we'll see right now. And I saw that it was postmarked like in February, and it took like exactly a month to get to me, which is not really surprising considering stuff from where it was sent from takes a long time. Wait, is this? Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's the season's greetings box. Why would you destroy this? Why would you subject this nice box to packaging? Okay, how do I open it? Okay, got it. Read me first. Hello, Kenneth. You probably already recognize me, but let's pretend you don't. Alright? Honestly, it was pretty hard to decide what to get for you, no lies, but nevertheless, I had fun. I hope you'll like the gifts. Have a fun, happy Valentine's. Your SVXOXO. I'll pretend I don't know who this is then. Okay, bubble wrap. Oh, okay. So, oh my gosh, it's a fan from Must Plan's photo book. It's like Set Something in Motion, I think that's what it's called. Ah, so nice. Oops. A card. This is already going very well. Oh shit, okay. It's an infinite card. I wonder whose Season 2 card this is. Because it's Sung Joon's Season 2 card. So cute. I'm gonna put this here. It's an album? What is this? Or it's definitely an album. Look at this wrapping paper she used. Very international. And it's taped up very well. Oh. Oh my god. Shit. It's B2B's Wow JP Press with Peniel's photo card. Oh my god. So I recently decided to stop collecting B2B, but I'm just going to consider this as a pool, so I'll be keeping it. Thank you so much. Okay, and then there's another album. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a DBSK album. It's Balloons. This is Balloons. And it's new. Holy shit. Is there a card in this? I swear to god, if there's a card in this, I'm going to freak out. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, Secret Valentine, who I'll reveal later. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Gosh. Okay. I don't think there's a card. Would there be a card in this? Because this is a really nice album. How do I'll take it out later, but there are 2 CDs in this. Oh god. Oh my gosh. Okay. There's is there a card in this, or is this an advertisement? Advertisement. I think this... Okay, this is just the lyrics booklet. Oops. And then... like a bunch of little postcard things. Oh my gosh. It's so nice. I've actually never even seen this album before. I'm like horrible with the discography for DBSK. How do I put this back? Oh, okay. Just like that. Okay. I'm actually really happy about getting this. This is well, I guess this is my first DBSK album. The other one I have is Keyword Maze, but that's like just Jeju, that's like a single. This is an entire album. And oh my god, shit, there's more. Okay. Luhan's Mama Polaroids. I got these from the Secret Santa Secret Santa ones. And then Luhan's Miracles in December Polaroids, which I actually don't have, and then I really need these. Look, Luhan. And then there's also some Xing Polaroids. And there's Xing and Baekhyun Mama and Lei Wolf. And I'm missing one of Baekhyun's. It was this one. So thank you. Oh my god, this is way over the spending limit. Way over the spending limit. Read once you've opened everything. Hello, Kenneth. It is almost time to reveal my I want to get this word. It looks like TME, identity. I'm sorry, I can't read this. It is almost time to reveal my something identity, but not just yet. I really hope you like everything I got for you. I really do like everything. Thank you so much. I try to stick to your wish list. I tried to stick to your wish list. I can't English. It's okay. I can't either. It wasn't very wise of me to wrap the album with the crepe paper. I actually liked it. I liked the crepe paper. It was super hard since they pretty much stretch a lot. But I hope you like it. I really did. I really did like it. I really did like it. And the B2B, wow, you said you've been waiting to start on the set, so there you go. Yeah, I was like 3 weeks ago, and then decided to stop collecting. But I'm going to keep these too. I'm going to keep them. Your first card. I hope you didn't end up with doubles end on. It's okay. It's okay. I'll keep these. They didn't end the box. Lol, I kinda rushed and decided to use that box since I'm gonna end up throwing it anyways. This is super long, so I'll reveal next page. Overall, I had fun, like a lot of fun. I really hope you will like them, cause I'm bad at picking gifts, question mark. Have a splendid day and happy Valentine's. God bless you. Sincerely, your SV, aka Adri. Yes, it was from Malaysia, and that's how I know. P.S. There's one more item that I'll send separately. That's this thing. And then Bob the I'm bored in school doodle monster, an image of there's it. It says like an image of something. Oh, the image of I tried. It's cute. Very cute. Take off once you know who I am. The Polaroids you. Oh my god. Oh, that makes a lot of sense. Wait, that's actually kind of hilarious. I thought, okay, that makes a lot of sense. Thank you a lot. That means I can sell them because I do have extras of Luhan's Mama and that extra Baekhyun one. And then, okay, this one. It says, do not bend, open last. So, opening it last. This is another gift and not a letter that, oh, what is it? What is this? It's cardboard, so. You kinda already You kind of already guessed who I am because I'm writing this as we speak. Anyways, this is a lost gift that arrived today. So, man, happy belated Valentine's Day, I guess, lol. And your... Wait, let me see what it is first. Okay. Thank you so much, Adri, for being my secret Valentines for Togethertube. I'm actually very happy with these gifts. My favorite, of course, is this. I'm actually not even sure what songs are on this, but I'll definitely give it a listen. Look at the cover. Jaejoon's in the middle, and they look so happy. So much nostalgia. So much nostalgia. Okay, well, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much one more time for all these amazing gifts.